Today's video, I'll show you how to change the time zone in your Docusign account and what to do if you can't find state documents. First, open your browser and head over to docusign.com. Click the login button in the top right and sign in with your credentials. Once inside, go to the Admin tab on the left-hand menu. In Admin, scroll down and select Regional Settings. Here you can adjust your default time zone, language, and other regional preferences. Use the drop-down menu to choose the correct time zone, then click Save to apply changes. Now, if you can't find certain state documents, double-check your document access permissions or contact Docusign support for help. Sometimes small account settings can impact visibility, and that's it. You've updated your time zone and learned how to troubleshoot missing state documents in Docusign. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.